If someone asked me to describe camp, I just couldn't put it into words. We'll show you our camp. In fact, listen to our camp.
In math, 1st and 2nd graders have been working on improving basic math skills. The 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders created surveys and designed graphs based on the data. The goal was to have all students ready for math in September. In art class, we're exploring advanced drawing techniques. Students are learning to draw realistically, and also we're making art based on famous artists such as Van Gogh and Michelangelo. This year in camp for STEM 2019, I have the children perform a broad variety of activities within each category of STEM. We performed experiments such as extracting DNA from strawberries, building a bridge with just popsicles and marshmallows. We even learned a little bit about coding, and for math we worked on various worksheets and activities. I wanted to give the kids a little taste of everything, to expose them to all the categories so that each student would know what they like and what they don't. We had fun discovering and learning together.
In technology, students focused on basic computer skills as well as an animal research project. They were able to work independently or with a partner and choose an animal of their choice to research. We then focused on how to navigate the internet and find factual information about their animal. All students put a PowerPoint presentation together with their research findings and presented it to their classmates.
This year in ELA, the students performed various activities that were geared to help them improve their critical thinking and expand their writing skills. ELA was connected with journaling this year to allow the students more opportunities to read and write about topics they enjoyed, topics that they were curious about, or about topics they never heard about before. The blending of the two academic areas appeared to be a real success.
This year in science, we learned about a number of different topics. The first week we learned all about the weather and how heat, water, and wind affect the weather every day. Next, we talked about the water cycle and how the earth naturally cleans our drinking water. After that, we learned about animal habitats and how animals use their environment to get all the things they need to survive. Lastly, we learned about our own natural habitat through a nature scavenger hunt. Science was jam-packed with dynamic and fun activities for all the campers.
We are the counselors for 3B.
Hi, my name is Fatima.
Hi, my name is Tyler.
And we are the counselors for 3A. My name is Melissa and I work with 1B.
My name is Jare and I work with 1B as well.
Hi, my name is Kai and I'm a volunteer for 2B.
Hi, my name is Bryson and I'm a volunteer for 2A.
Hi, my name is Tyler.
Hi, my name is Justice.
And we're from Group 4A at Bits and Pieces Camp.
Hi, I'm Jahim.
Hey, I'm Tina.
And we are Group 5A.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Star and I'm a counselor for 1B.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Daniela.
And we're 2B counselors.
Hello, my name is Sebastian.
Hi, my name is Tashai.
And we are the 5B counselors.
Hello, my name is Paola.
Hello, my name is Mel.
And we work for Group 1A.
Hi, I'm Tyra.
Hi, I'm Adrian.
And we're the counselors from 4B.
Elijah.
I'm Taylor Lee.
And we are counselors from 2A.
What's your favorite part of working at Bits and Pieces Summer Camp?
The kids always make the days interesting. It's never a dull day with 2A.
Of course.
And my favorite part is seeing how these kids improve from the first day to the second week to the third week, and seeing how drastically when they go to class they're even more excited, improving on their skills, and just seeing them help each other is just so amazing.
My favorite thing about Bits and Pieces is my spectacular group.
I'm Ryan, this is Eric, and this is Shane, and we're the lifeguards. Now, aside from getting my tan on, it's fun watching the kids down at the pool having fun.
I like my teachers because they're nice and they're beautiful. And also when we're going to Quasi, we didn't win in Quasi too. No, but it's going to be fun there. Can we dance? Or do you want to do exercise? Exercise better than dance. I learned Taekwondo. Let's do it here. No, I don't want to do it there. Ooh! 1, sir, 2, sir, 3, sir, 4, sir, 5, 7, sir, 8, sir, 9, sir, 10, sir. So I learned about math and art and science and technology.
What I liked about camp is that every year we get to meet new friends and learn about each other and cooperate and do projects together and help each other out. And yeah.
I like about camp is that it's just so much fun to come here and see friends.
The thing I've enjoyed about camp most is making new friends.
This is my first year and at Bits and Pieces Camp, and this is the best summer ever. Reading, it helps you with your comprehension. You could get above your grade level.
We learned about math, science.
Hello, this is Mr. Raymond Tribble. In all my 24 years of working for the White Plains Youth Bureau, the Bits and Pieces Summer Camp never ceases to amaze me. What we accomplished in 6 weeks thanks to our dedicated staff is totally incredible. To all our campers, I hope you've learned a lot, I hope you've had some fun, and I hope you've enjoyed listening to the smooth jazz at lunchtime. To all of our parents, thank you for giving us another opportunity to show your young people what a great camp Bits and Pieces is, and I know they had fun. I hope to see them next year at the camp. Thank you very much, and I'll see you all next year.